Good afternoon, students. This is your science period. Uh, I hope you have this book, Creative Learning and Practice Set. Okay, it is a worksheet. It has a worksheet of all subjects, and today we will do the exercises in worksheet. Okay, so do lesson 1, science. Okay, plants and animal as sources of food. Okay, we get food from plants and animals. Food gives us energy, material for growth, and keep us alive. We know that we need a food to live. Without food, we are not able to survive. Foods are essential need for all living beings, whether it is a plant, animal, human beings, worm, insects, anything. The form of the food can be changed, but it is essential for all living beings. Okay, so let's start. First, fill in the blanks. Coffee is prepared from dried beans, beans or seed of coffee plant. You can write here beans will be in bracket and seeds. Coffee is prepared from a dried seeds of coffee plant. Next, honey is prepared by honey bees from the nectar of the flowers. Third, the nutrients make the staple food of human beings. Cabbage is a but should be in bracket and it is green vegetable. Okay, it is green vegetable. Next, name the following the raw material used for making food. It is called ingredients. When we think to prepare any dish, first we need to collect the ingredient of that dish. Now, the raw material used for making food called ingredients. The seeds of cultivated grasses, it is grains. The fruit used for obtaining oil, olive. The nutritions pulses are rich in, it is very easy, it is protein. Write true or false. Stem of carrot is used as vegetable. It is false because carrot is a root of the plant, not stem. So it will be false. Honey has a antibacterial property. Correct. Honey has a antibacterial property. True. Tea is obtained by drying and crushing tea seeds. So tea is obtaining by drying and crushing. The tea seeds नहीं होगा, it will be leaves. Seeds is wrong, so it will be false. We eat flower or broccoli as food. It is true. Next, take the correct answer. Food provides material for growth, reproduction, repairing damaged cells, all of them. It will be all of them. Fishes, prawns and crabs are good sources of protein and iodine. Which of these are sources of sugar? It will be sugar cane and beetroot. 4. In potato, the edible part is underground stem. Potato grows under the ground, but it is not root, it is a underground stem. Potato and ginger both. Okay, so do this exercise in your book. Okay, and tomorrow in next class we will cover chapter 2 and 3. Okay, so till then, thank you class.